Hello everybody, I want to show you a new addition to my railroad collection. I just got this Western Cullen Hayes light frame off of eBay yesterday. It came from Martinez, California, off the Martinez subdivision. I think I may know the crossing it came from too. I have more info in the description. But yeah, it originally came with this Electro-Tech LED on the inside. This one was made in 2009 and it has Union Pacific on it. It says 2009. I can't seem to get it to light up though. I don't know if it's dead, fried, or what. So I put my Harmon Dotted LED inside the light frame instead. As you can see, I'll go ahead and set it up for you guys. Installing replacing the LEDs was pretty easy in this too. Forgot to mention. I wanted to show you guys my Electro-Tech LED that came with the light head. I seem to can't get it to work though. Here it goes. When I took it out and replaced it with my Harmon LED, the lens popped off right here, so I had to hot glue it back on. You can see I kind of have it a little bit crooked. This right here is from the visor when it was at the top. The top is right here, this half. See? I kind of turned it a little bit. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys. This is one made in 2009. Funny thing, it doesn't have Electro-Tech nowhere on here. It just has Union Pacific Railroad everywhere. Can't see it in there. The wires look okay. I'm not sure why it doesn't work. But yeah. Can't see it in there.